If you want 2026 to truly change your life, you don't need a new year. You need a new direction. Today I'll show you how to make 2026 the best year of your life, in an Islamic way and a practical way. Assalamu alaikum. Every year we promise ourselves change, but most people repeat the same year again. Real success comes when faith, mindset, and action work together. In this video, I'll share simple steps you can start today to transform your dunya and akhirah in 2026. Point 1. Start with Allah. If Allah is not part of your plan, the plan will never feel complete. Make 2026 the year you pray on time. Talk to Allah daily. Turn to Allah before people. The Prophet taught us that actions are judged by intentions. When your intention is for Allah, even small habits bring barakah. Point 2. Set clear goals. Success doesn't come from wishes, it comes from clarity. For 2026, write 3 personal goals, 3 career or study goals, 3 spiritual goals. Then ask yourself, what can I do daily to move closer to these goals? Small steps done consistently can change your entire life. Point 3. Work hard with halal discipline. Islam encourages excellence. Improve your skills. Be honest in your work. Seek halal income with sincerity. Make this dua. Ya Allah, put barakah in my efforts and my risk. Money with barakah brings peace. Money without barakah brings stress. Point 4. Dua. Tawakkul and patience. Never underestimate the power of dua. Make dua in sujud, after fajr, before sleeping. Work hard, but trust Allah's timing. Delay does not mean rejection. What's written for you will reach you. Closing message. If you want 2026 to be different, strengthen your connection with Allah. Fix your daily habits. Stay patient and consistent. Remember, 1 year with sincerity, discipline, and faith can change your entire future. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs direction. Comment, Ya Allah, make 2026 my best year. May Allah fill your 2026 with barakah, peace, and success. Ameen.